Hello sir, in this video we are going to discuss how we can add a new product to our Magento store. So to add a new product, mouse over on catalog, then click on manage products. So here you will see on the right side corner add a product button. Click on the add product button. Now as you are saying right now, attribute set, you can select default and the product type will be simple product. Then click on continue button. So here you can define the name of the product, description about the product, short description about the product. If you want to add something just like in a table format, just click on the this editor section and you can paste that code here. Like here are basically more options like bold, italic or whatever you want. You can add the content and then press on submit button. Then you can define the SKU basically is a unique value to the product. You can define the weight type like per unit, per gram, per kg. Then you can define the weight of this product and then status about the product. Always select enable if you want to show this product on your store. Then the visibility will be catalog search and special product. It will set no or yes, whatever you want. Like if you want to show under discounted category or special product, so you can add yes, select yes, or by default it will be no. Then next section is about the pricing of the product. Click on the price button, then define the price of the product. Here you can define the group price, like for a group of customer, special price, text file, text class, sorry, you can select as none. You can define the meta information about this product here. And then comes to images, you can add images. Click on the images section, then browse files, then browse simple browse files and then click on upload like this, then upload. Roll over the mouse on this, you'll see the image like this. Then select any one of the image as base image, small image and thumbnail, whatever you want, whichever image you want to set as thumbnail, base image, etc. So next step is our select next step of ours is inventory section. Click on inventory. So here's our inventory section. Always define some quantity like for 100 unit, 50 unit, whatever you want. If you'll set it at 0, you will not be able to see the product on your store or front page. So it must be add some, you must add some quantity to uh, your store of this product. And from there you can define like this product is out of stock right now or in stock. So while adding the product, just select in stock. Then category means the this product will be the part of which category, so you can select from here. Just click on the category and then select default, game, lamb. These are the basically categories which we have created already. Or then select check mark, just check mark this one. Or if you want to add the options like means this product is available in different quantities, or as you have seen the sizes, so you can add from here. just click on custom options, then add new options. Like the first of all, like color is title, input type will be whichever you want to select, drop down or radio. Then add means the color will be like red, the price, then select black, and then press save and continue button. This is how we can create a simple product. Now if you want to add a product with some attributes, so for that just mouse over on catalog, click on manage product, click on add product, then select any attribute set like we have created, uh, lamb bones, then press continue button, and the process will be same as I have told you earlier. The process will be same for this product also. Now comes to the how we can create the attributes to this product. For adding a new attribute set, just mouse over on catalog, click on attribute, and then click on manage attributes. From there you can add a new attribute. Just click on add new attribute button, attribute code you can define. The main field here is attribute code, then manage label means where you want to display this. So then click on save attribute button. Now then comes to the mouse over on catalog and mouse over on then attributes, and then click on manage attribute sets. So you'll see the your attribute here, and add new set to this, and set edit set name. Then based on means this attribute set which will be the part of which attribute. So first define the name, then set the select the basically attribute, and then click on save attribute set. So this is a way how we can create a new product and new attribute. That's all in this video. Thank you.